Alright guys, so I was gonna give away a pair of these Dickies 894 pants, and I'm still going to. I just thought of this idea where I'll give away more pairs of pants for every new trick I learn. So let's go through these comments. I'll pick a winner for the first pants and then see if we can learn some new tricks. Alright, so Brian Davis commented, but do they come in black? Yes, they come in black. Some of these are so funny. Haley Arneson commented, I subbed for the Father John Misty. Good to see some Father John Misty fans out there. Got a little flat spot on there. Lil Trump commented, I would like to give it to my dad. Well, that's an honorable comment, Lil Trump. Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit of skating. Who are we picking for the winner right here? Alright, Rob Durant. Rob Durant commented, I've been skating in my underwear and would love to try pants. Yeah, I've actually tried that before and it's not pleasant at all. That's the loudest flat spot I've ever heard in my life. Alright. Alright. Forget it. Rob, you win. Find me on social media somewhere. Leave me a message where to send the pants. I'm going to try to learn some tricks. We'll give away 2 pairs of the other Dickies 874 work pants. You got it? Just need one more rotation now. Alright, I thought. That's it. No pants. Let's try another trick. I wanted to give them away. Try something over there. 5-0 switch across. Let's see. It's one pair. Let's see who's gonna win it. It's gonna be a long day. Yeah, I got two more tricks. I don't know. At least one more trick. Alright, let's read a few of these comments. Je commande le. I think that's French. It says, what size the pants? 34-30, sir. Mr. Tillman, can we get you some pants? Daniel Brown, solid comment. The Demonic Sponge commented. Probably the best username I've ever seen, I think. Chad has gotten a decent amount of subscribers over time. Another solid comment from Demonic Sponge, always holding it down in the comment section. Alright. Winner of the Dickies 874 pants is Randory, who says, I won a Dickies button-up shirt at the beer festival by playing quarters. Now all I need is the pants. Alright, outfit complete. Try to get one more trick before I pass out. Alright, now we'll try to get the nollie flip back well reverse. That's a revert. Let's go through a few of these comments, see who wins the last pair of these Dickies 874 pants. Kevin B says, I skate in my wife's yoga pants. Alright. Alright, Liliana Rubio comments, pants. Alright, could be a winner. Let's keep scrolling. Alright. Poison Junebug commented, yo, hit me with the pants. I've been having to skate in goddamn jean shorts. I'm gonna have to hit you with those pants because I can't let you go skating around in jean shorts anymore. So yeah, anyone that I mentioned that won the pair of pants, just find me on social media somewhere, send me a message and your address and everything, and I'll send those out soon. Alright, thanks for watching.